Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a very yummy and easy mango dessert recipe. So the ingredients that I require to prepare this recipe are very simple friends. Here I have taken half kilo of mangoes and I have cut them into small cubes like this. 1 cup of fresh cream. And this is half a cup of powder sugar. If you don't have powder sugar friends, you can use the normal sugar that we have at home. So the first step to prepare this mango cream recipe, we are going to take one bowl, add the sugar and the cream. And I'm going to beat it nicely. I'm going to beat the cream nicely. Now as you can see, the cream, I have nicely mixed the cream nicely. This is the time we will add the mangoes. And we will mix it in this cream. We are going to mix it with a spoon. So after mixing the mangoes in the cream and sugar, it will look like this. We will freeze it friends. You can just prepare this before your guests come or before you're going to have your meal. Just keep this ready, freeze it, and then it will be ready to serve. So just freeze it. We'll freeze it for some time. After freezing it for some time friends, we will garnish it with some chopped nuts. Now this delectable mango cream recipe is ready. Serve it chill as a dessert. Very easy to prepare friends and very yummy recipe. I hope you liked my recipe friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching friends. See you soon. Bye.